Hey, in this video, I will show you how to fix the CapCut templates not showing in TikTok, or how to fix the CapCut template not showing in TikTok. This works in 2023 and it's actually very simple. The first thing you want to do is make sure and understand where or not you have CapCut templates on TikTok. And to do that, if for some videos that you notice and you think they should have the CapCut template, but you're not sure, you want to go on the search bar, type it CapCut or CapCut template. I'm not doing that right now because that will bring in a lot of sounds, and I've tried to record this video and it's not that easy when I have those. And if it doesn't show on any of them, what you want to do is follow the next steps. If it does show, just click on it. It will redirect you to CapCut and you run. If it doesn't show, what you want to do is go on the App Store, type in TikTok, and when you type in TikTok, you want to make sure there's no update option. There's just open option. This is the first thing you want to do. The second thing you want to do is go over to your settings on your iPhone. Go over to General. From here, you want to click on Software Update. You also want to make sure you don't have any VPN. And also, you want to go to iPhone storage. You want to go and find TikTok. Just downloaded it again. For me, here it is, and you want to offload it and get it on again. This is pretty much all. One of these solutions should work. If they do, slap the like button, subscribe. If they don't, let me know in the comment section below, and I'll try to help out everyone that comments there. And also let me know in the comment section which country are you watching this video from. See you next one. Bye.